Outdoors. If you like this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe and like, and I'll have a lot more adventures for you. Thank you. This is Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. Before we start doing the video, I'm using the all-purpose cement to put this together. And let's see, the pipe itself, I got each corners here I got to take care of. And I'm using a 1 1/4 PVC pipe, and then the connectors for the 1 1/4. Here we go. Give it a good swap in here. Put it together. Some glue in there. Each corner, do that on each corner. Put it in here. And when I first put it together, so basically these I'm going to use my on those. I'm going to use the Flex Seal, the clear, and I'm going to and then I'm going over on these other point corners to help it make sure it stays solid, because there's going to be a lot of pressure to move this. Making a mess here. There we go. Open it each corner. Flip it around so everybody can see it. Yeah. Maybe it'll help if I move my feet out of the way. Might as well just have it all out. Inside here. We'll be ready to try this out. Ready to go. Extra pressure, help it extra all in there nice and tight. Seal this part, because this part is where I don't want my GoPro camera to fall out, so definitely want to seal this part. There we go. Here's my GoPro camera setup. And I'll show you what I'll use here in a little bit. It's real good. Go ahead and seal this. I want to change it where I want my camera to go. Basically, I want this one to be pulling this way, and this camera going to be facing that direction to capture. After you spray down, get everything else done you want, you just take the inflatable. Here, I mean, go ahead and take the noodle. And then you use your zip tie it on there. Well, it ain't pretty, but we'll see if it'll float. We'll test drive it, and we'll get going on this video here later on. Check it out. use the Flex Seal, and then I use the all-purpose cement seal for the PVC pipe. Noodles on the bottom. We'll see if that'll float. I hope so. We're going to test drive it without GoPro camera. I'll probably have that. This is my GoPro camera setup. Woohoo! This Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. You'll see what we're doing. Oh yeah, look at that. Just look at that. That boat is kicking butt. Pulling that up. Woo! That's a Harbour Freight boat I bought at a Harbour Freight. PVC pipe. I bought that at the bought